Ma'am Katrina Salazar, yung ating Philippine Triathlon team na sumali doon sa PAI National Swimming Trials. And unfortunately, 9th place ka dito sa 800 meter freestyle. So, kamusta ang performance mo dyan sa competition even though you were placed last in the competition?
Okay naman po. I came into this swim race as like a performance test. Me and my coach in swimming agreed na we want to see where I am right now. Since swimming is my weakest sport at the moment, we want to further improve it. So we believe that joining swim races can help determine what are my weaknesses that we need to improve on, the strengths, and mga kailangan ayusin. One of the things that we saw was my internal pressure, how much I pressure myself. So, ang nakita namin is that my swim was a bit stiff. Halata napapressure ako. So, at least we were able to find that weakness and we can build onto it to become faster.
Ma'am Kat, with this performance, even doon nag-last place ka, it will be helpful nga pala dahil alam ko may sasalihan ng competition and that is the National Aquathlon Championships
Yes,
dyan sa Quezon City,
Yes po.
which is happening 1 month from now.
Yes po.
Kasi ito yung parang performance test or tune-up na rin for the
Opo.
competition. So, I would be this tournament helpful para dito sa ating papalapit nga na competition.
Yes po, definitely. We're using this race talaga to, like what I said, performance tests, to see where we are and to navigate kung saan pwede tayong bibilis at i-improve po.
At of course, any upcoming competition pa before itong national championship or dun sa mismong trials na yun, meron bang iba kang sasalihan o ito pa lang?
Actually, the next big race na sasalihan ko po is yung Japan race with Kira Ellis.
Si Kira Ellis,
Opo.
yung ating gold medalist sa European
Yes
Triathlon
po.
Cup.
Yes po, I'll be racing with her in Japan, Gamagori, this September 20. We'll be leaving on September 17. It's for the Japan Gamagori.
And speaking of Kira Ellis, what's your reaction nga pala doon sa pagkapanalo nga ni Kira doon sa European Junior Cup? And I'd like to also to give credit also to her mom and coach,
Yes.
Coach Doray, na super alaga, yung ginaguide pa lalo itong si Kira towards the victory.
Opo.
Ano masabi niyo upon learning na si Kira nanalo nga ng gold medal?
Grabe, I'm really proud of her. Honestly, I find her as somewhat like a really cute baby, honestly, because she's younger than me and I find her really cute. So, I'm really proud of her and I'm so proud. I know that her mom is very proud of her as well and I really hope for the best for both of them and I know that the best will happen to both of them. I know that they have the heart, they have the strength, and they have the Pinoy pride in them to not just win but to do well and be happy in every race that they join.
Alright, Kat, may mga gusto kayong pasalamatan and invite all of them sa mga upcoming competitions.
Opo, thank you to my parents, my coaches, Coach Kevin Agent Santos, Coach Weng, Coach John Losada, Coach Norberto Ocaner, Coach Mix Mapalo, Coach Tony Ong and Coach Al Rosario. Thank you then to Lincoln Co for always supporting me. That's my triathlon team besides the Philippine national team. Thank you then to Vitorgo for the endless support and to all of my supporters and everyone who believes in me. I know na sometimes there are times when I lose, there are times when it's not so happy, but I know that you guys will always be there for me and will be there not only for the victories but for my downfalls as well.
Alright, thank you so much, Kat. More power and
Thank
God
you.
bless and see you
Thank you
soon.
po, thank you po.